fix microphone not working on Windows 11 or 10? First of all, you need to check microphone permissions. For that, right-click Start icon at bottom left corner. Now go to Settings. On the left hand, you need to select Privacy and Security option. Scroll down. Under App Permission, you have to click on Microphone and make sure that you have turned on microphone access for the apps you are using such as Camera, Feedback Hub, Microsoft Teams and all. Now you have to close Settings and test your microphone. After that, if microphone does not work from this step 2, you have to configure microphone in Control Panel. Click Search icon and type Control. You will get Control Panel. Simply click on Open to access Control Panel. You can set the view by option to small icon or large icon. Now you need to select Sound option and open the sound settings. From here, you need to click on Search or the playback icon at top left corner and simply right click on your microphone, and you have to set it as default. As you can see that this speaker has set to default device, so you have to do that as well. Now double click it, and now you need to go to Labels on the speaker's properties, and you need to make sure the volume is at maximum. Click on OK button and go to Recordings. From here as well, you need to go ahead and double click on Microsoft Arrow. Before that, set it as default. Now go to Levels again, and here also you need to check Levels and make it to maximum and click on OK button. Once you have done that, the third step is simply you need to do on Troubleshooters. Click Search icon and type Troubleshoot. You can simply open the Troubleshoot settings and now click Other Troubleshooters. And here you can run the following troubleshooters such as audio and playing audio as well. And once you do that, you can follow the prompts and restart your computer to select or apply the fixes. After that, you can lastly update Windows and drivers as well, and then make sure your microphone is properly connected to the correct port. If you are using a wireless microphone or headphones, ensure it's paired and selected as the default device and restart your computer and then test the microphone. These steps will help you to fix microphone not working on Windows 11 or 10. Hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.